jar, and you can put in the fridge. It's really nice. Yeah, it's very healthy food. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Yeah, 2 million in the house and one thumbs up. Yeah. How's everybody? Yeah. So we've been in the seaside today, and is a you don't know what is it? Yeah. Aidan Rogers, she's Asian. Ah, I see. Hmm. I'm not sure Christopher saying about. All right then. Yeah, she's Asian. Paulo Sanchez. Hello, Paulo Sanchez. Makande dancing doll. I don't understand what is it, Paulo Sanchez. I'm not sure what you talking about. What language is that? If you translate in English, yeah, I made kimchi today. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, really healthy food. That's good for you. Yeah, Paulo Sanchez. I'm from Philippines. Oh, ano yung Paulo Sanchez? Ano yung Macandins? Siring, di ko naintindihan yan. Christopher, you're making, sorry. Yeah, it's so good. Yes, it's so good. Kimchi is so good. Nice. Not too spicy though, because I'm not really fan of spicy food. Just mild. Yeah. 2 million in the house. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Tem 900. Hello, Tem. Where are you from? Aidan Rogers. Aidan is from hang on. Uh, I mean Tem 900 9,000. Hello. 5 million in the house. Yeah. Everybody's
darling. I'm a bit tired now. I'm going to put some more
everybody
fresh
hello.
water in later too. Okay.
Yeah, how's
I did some, but not
from
all.
Holland? Tem 9,000 from Holland.
No, no. It's,
Holland.
whatever it is,
Yeah,
it's
wow,
not
it's
salt
a very
water,
nice
it's not
place.
seawater. But I put a
Yeah,
little bit of clean water in. I'm going to do a bit more later.
yeah. Welcome here. Welcome here in my YouTube live Team 900. And how are you? Team 900, shout out to Tim from Holland. Holland. Yeah. It's nice place too. Yes. Yeah. Do you have any friends or Filipino friends, Tim? Uh, anybody tried a Filipino food here? Adobo. It's always adobo, isn't it? Lechon. Nobody tried lechon yet. It's similar really in roast pig really, but a whole pig here, like with the head. A lot of countries that want the head and all. Yeah, yeah. And shout out Filipinos in Holland. Mega shout out to Team 9,000. Yeah, 2 million in the house. Yeah. Time check is 5:30 here in Philippines. Yeah. How's your day, Team 900? 9,900. Why you gotta say always 900? It's 9,000. Yeah. Paulo Sanchez, taga-asa man